The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. It's Polokwane City 1, Orlando Pirates 2. Match day 19 of Betway Premiership in the season. 2025-2026. Junior, in nerves towards the end of the game. Orlando Pirates scores in the second half, early in the second half. Polokwane City equalizes. A goal, no, this will end in a draw. The amount of chances that Orlando Pirates created and wasted kumdlalo namhlanje, but Tito Masonganye came to the rescue and took all the points for Orlando Pirates. But Junior, masede ngawo mfowethu unjani?
Yeah, Shane, it's kubulisa kunjani my brother.
I'm okay, man.
Mina ngimnandi kakhulu Shane. I hope now right my brother. Ngibulise wena, ngibulise Justice, ngibulise Nkululeko my brother. Ngibulise Benedict Sovilakazi. Bobzini. Yeah, Bobo Mngithi ne utso uthi Bobo Mngithi. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV. We fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, mfethu, sometimes we playing coaches, but players ngihlale ngisho kumele bathathe responsibility. Sometimes into thola ukuthi when you look at the game overall, players nabo kumele bathathe charge. I mean, the game they Pirates if it really bekumele basiplay. Players bekumele bababukele this game and then bababuza ukuthi okay, where's the coach's fault here?
Yeah.
Because you can't have 13 shots
on target.
Yeah, and bese wonke now mister. Mangithi mister ngikhuluma ngebody language. Not being aggressive enough. I mean, we talk about the second round of the season. Remember, Sundowns is playing on another side. So, lama game wadlala with you. So, Pirates players, bathola ama chance amaningi kakhulu. Coming to this game, Polokwane City, every man behind the ball. Yeah. They went one-on-one, but marker too deep. I mean, the player became too deep. They don't even abana manamba even up front. Ngimbonile coach ufuna ukudlala i-transition football, ufuna ukuthi baphume afini yabo ngespeed until epalinde Orlando Pirates is not going to be bengeke izikhona yenzakala. Many play yabo bayiqala too deep. It was very, very difficult. Very compact, but very pace Orlando Pirates. I think, honestly speaking, well done to Orlando Pirates. I think it's a hard fought for this game. I mean, the ground is itself. PSL amanyama ground ukuthi wa bawavumele, I mean to say approved for ama ground nje. Kune Polokwane Stadium ngapha. I'm talking about the bigger. Pirates
the new Peter Mokaba Stadium.
Yes, play there. You playing against Orlando Pirates, awudlali markets or none. Irrespective of the markets, but the truth is, Pirates have got so many supporters.
Maybe they took it there, Junior, because they know mhlambe ukuthi these big teams bafake kwezi stadiums nje. Polokwane City plays most of their games up. So maybe they know ukuthi if they take the game to the new Peter Mokaba Stadium, it's kind of disadvantages them. But the Pirates uses Olabala. I think Polokwane City, even if abazulingana nje half part, Polokwane City is a percentage enyuka ngayo dlala kulabo.
Yeah, definitely sure. Bona obvious. It's sometimes train on that ground. You understand? And honestly speaking, psychologically, dlala to Pirates players. They used to pitch Orlando Pirates, Orlando Amstel. Stadium, carpet in fact. I mean, Pirates, they play beautiful football. Technically, very good, skillful team.
Junior, not stadium, arena.
Arena.
Thank you.
Sorry. No, I'm very sorry. Yeah, I'm very sorry. So, they used to carpet. Pirates, they are technically very good, very fluid team. Very skillful team. They allow players express. Also, they play passing game, ball rotation by Shire. Good combination play. How they score, we are born issues for complementary this year. But now, in today's game, I think it is the Pele game. I think the ground is too heavy. We are born a good heavy. I mean, it was slow a bit. Game first 20 minutes game was a bit slow because of the heavy. Ground and then the ground was heavy. Also, I think the smaller cool in the ground. Orlando Pirates, we ask good sometimes they playing on my pockets, so it came by varied. But in today's game, when they play go wide, ngalama polo ngobuwadi uyathanda ukuthi surprise ama opponent. If you play, you go inside to turn with bashintshe play, and then to look at the ball alphume ngaphandle. In today's game, with distraction from Orlando Pirates, I'm sure they were frustrated. But also, first half, they do create ama-chance. Kunebhola first, I think, critical phase of a game icala, first 5 minutes, evident, defender plus evident ngebhola.
Yeah.
And then well done to him.
With the keeper, yeah.
Go to the goalkeeper. But it strikers of South Africa, they need to learn it. We need to, I mean, some development coaches, they need to develop strikers that are very skillful. To go, sometimes go to the goalkeeper, try and beat him. If you see that Uvali Engel, Mbambenge 1v1, Unazaro Abambu goalkeeper can step over World Cup. You understand? No, honestly.
I know.
We as South Africa, we're so skillful like this, Brazil. I mean, Lapamla and the evident, trying to do something just to put the wave, and then in a speed. You understand? And I'm sure ngaba penalty because goalkeeper face it doesn't have goalkeeper pegeli, you coming with the ball. So well, evident did very well in terms of with a shoot a far post, but the goalkeeper did very well. But I believe Gubu Amlanda, just take him on, the goalkeeper. You understand? I'm sure he was going to create a foul, a red card, and also the penalty. Another stuff, Pulukone City. I think they're playing with 4, sitting at the back. Sometimes it goes 4. These 2 different players, Abu Kambala, they sit there, make it very difficult. Honestly, bonke. Every man behind it didn't care Uputi about adding the number with okay. We're gonna catch Paris with 3. That's why if we say Beba's a good game, playing home. I'm surprised because this team is on the top 8. If you top 8, so was top 8. You match. Why in top 8? So not by. We go top 8 by defending. You need to score goals. So you can't play about it draw game. So in today's game, this team would do on a draw against Orlando Pirates. We know now with the pound to pound they can't match Orlando Pirates players. But the truth is. Team Premiership, you can't make my excuse. And every man behind the ball, I would like some player according to his strengths now. Because now they were defending, that's all. It was against it's like a session in training I'm attack against I'm defend. Every time man to Makalaban Banigi Pola, you're not gonna play. It was like something like that today. Because they were giving Orlando Paris Pola. Defending, giving Orlando Paris ball. Defending, giving Orlando Paris ball. And Orlando Paris, they had so many chances, but in the game, they were about cheat. Abachita, they were not aggressive. The body language on the ball, Pamgwe Pali, I understand. Like they were playing as if Mataba competing for good league. So well done to coming from the bench in Kulman with Tito. I mean, missed the chance. Obonilu Pega Twins and Lapa. I think a good ball from Urile, which is in belief with Namsai also Urile didn't have a game laying it. You understand? Because I know he's a player of the month. The boy is one of the best in Challenge Show talent. Good habit didn't do well. If this boy is on song, Pirates will be on song. Kulbang take all on the Pirates because it's very influential. So today, when Elini Pola last 10 minutes, when Tito almost get the goal, far post, almost, and then the Pola Puma wide. And then also Otto. Otto in today's, he has about Tabanya band. Utolu to waste out of 10, you waste 9. And then 1 you get it right. Well done to Otto. As some guy credit Shane.
That was a good assist.
I mean, the experience played a major role because they lap well draw goalkeeper and good finish from Mutito. So, Umreme na big melakor. Lapana, you want to pass. Take the responsibility. Just shy roof lap. You understand? I mean, no goalkeeper get in there's defenders there.
We saw Lomdlalo Pirates where they missed so many chances. Good situation in G. I'm sure there's no chance with Bangamba what the striker, but good situation in G. Going forward, what would you recommend with the Pirates? Do they go out there and find Mhlambi a finishing striker, or do they go out there, break the bank, and bring in a lethal striker for them?
You meaning next season or this season?
No, for next season, because now they can't get any striker right now because the window is closed and there's only 11 games left. I'm talking like in future, in order to prevent this because I think Nabo, they need to learn from this. But my question is, do they go out there and find a lethal striker? Or maybe they can get a finishing coach to come and help these players?
The answer is very easy. Ufagiletha ku Stellenbosch 3 months before iphethwe Premiership iphela ngithi lama contract lawa wama loan ifavor bona. I mean ifavor team when they say they loan you and noma ngabe uyoba free agent like contract yaphela you cannot go anywhere without consulting them because you see underbone lama contract job. So ufagiletha before now 3 months before sicela mabaso back simple. Another stuff angithi nifuna ukucompete na ku-Champions League
Yebo.
and anifune situation next year.
Yeah.
You bring Franklin Lucky. You mean ngisho lo Egypt?
Yes.
That's me.
Yes.
We understand.
Yes.
You bring that guy and then Pirates also Shane.
Yeah.
I mean look at the center back in. Shane, these two center back I know ukuthi you're getting away sometimes ngento ezinjengane. Le bhola leli korephula kona sithi.
That goal should have been prevented.
Simple. You cannot allow one palm, the ball palms. I mean, you should have told. Njoba ngisho ukuluza le Antwana le umbongazi. Ndimele kakhulu. But now sengisho ukuthi tholele lo mfana uSiyema ipartner. Yes, this is a very important player, experienced player, but he can be a backup. So can you get a striker for Fakri Lake?
Yeah.
Also mabasa bring him back. Simple. Akunankinga noma umbuti uma bangamrelease umfana. Oh, watch, just experience, again experience.
Yeah.
But Pirates, you can't come and sit there on the bench just to loan him out. But just bring for mabasa ukuthi compete and about Fakri and then evident abele these three strikers. And also the center back you need to get. Goalkeeper mele umthole futhi chain for i-backup ngisasho naleyo nto le very important. Yeah.
Junior, thank you so much for your analysis. That's Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder, former international. Udlale ku juniors, right?
Yeah.
Junior international, yes. That's Maritzburg United midfielder.
Bafana as well.
Bafana as well.
Yeah.
That's Junior Kanye. Malandi
Udlale nayo kuMalanga.
Benzano itu kuMalandi.
Eswazini.
Yeah.
Malandi Chiefs. Behlala sethu.
No itu. Miyeko yes.
Ebusuku le phathu udlalile.
Yeah.
Una ku AC udlalile.
Yeah. I remember this other time Zambuza. Nasebotswana. Mzambuza. And there was another time Pirates were playing in that Bank Cup against Mpumalanga Black Aces where referee Daniel Bennett, I think he gave a penalty ingeyiyo. So was so
Ngikanokulanda ama-defender Pirates baswalanda siyakiwa bothuni. Awashout.
Well, Jenny, let's close it. It's Polokwane City dlalwe Betway Premiership at the old Peter Mokaba Stadium. Polokwane City 1, Orlando Pirates 2. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.